I'm going to be showing you how to clean the power head on a Dyson vacuum. This one here is from a stick vac, but most Dyson vacuums have a similar sort of way of cleaning the heads of them. Now, there's going to be a few things you have to be aware of throughout the video, so I'll let you know of those. It will just make the process a whole lot easier and make sure it doesn't look like you're damaging them a little bit. So there's a few things you can use. Best thing to firstly use is a screwdriver. The larger headed ones are better than the smaller headed ones. If you use the smaller headed ones, it can tear into the groove. If it tears into the groove, it can leave marks similar to what you see here. So if you want it to look good, this is the best way of doing it. Now, first one to access is the top one. Get your screwdriver into the groove and you want to twist this end all the way around. Cool, that's twisted when it reaches there. And that should just lift up. And then you can access this part here. As you can see, there's a bit of dirt. Toothbrush, clean it down. Then the next part to access while that's off will be this side cover. Now surprisingly, this one doesn't need to move too much. So it's only a really small turn. Feels like it should go further, but that is all it needs to travel. And now that just pops out, pull through the brush. As you can see, the brush has lots of hair and string wrapped around it. Clean that stuff off. And then you'll get your toothbrush or another brush and go through here and just clean it out. And then once you're done there, put the brush back in. That will just clip in like that. And then you can get your screwdriver, push it down. Make sure this is lined up here first. Get your screwdriver, push it down, and then that just a small twist, and that's back together. Next one to put back on is the top part. Put in like that, push it down, get your screwdriver, make sure it's lined up. That should clip in, and then it's just twisting it back until that's lined up, as you can see. So that's how you clean the power head and the brush of the Dyson vacuum. Hope that helps, and thanks for watching.